I love the freaking axle bar. It makes everything better. Welcome back to the channel. Doing some push press today. So, still warming up. I'm gonna try three reps. Axle bar weighs 27. So it looks like 185, but it's actually 167 if my math is right. So, try three. Doing push press. So if it looks sloppy, that's why. Not bad. I think I'm gonna add 10 pounds to each side. Make that 187. Try that for a few. Elbow sleeves are on. We're cooking. Elbows are warm. Not gonna pop as much. Oh, this is 187. So wish me luck. I don't even have a rep scheduled here. I'm just gonna try it. And I think that's where a lot of people get mixed up. Yeah, there's good programming, but sometimes you gotta try stuff. So wish me luck here. And keep it nice and tight, really close to your body. I got a freaking one. Okay, got set number 2. If you want to call it that, it's 1 rep, so is it really a set? I don't know. Anyway, let's go for it. Woo! Hey, these singles are tough. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna do axle deadlift today too. Pretty heavy on that one too, so I think we'll go right to that next. How about that? So pro tip on any press, keep the bar in a vertical path. Don't push it out. Don't push it back. Don't get off balance. It should be right through the middle of the foot, up through your body. Don't move from that bar path at all. Keep that completely straight. Even when you push press, you'll feel it because you'll get off balance. Your balance is very important on this one. It's a technical lift, so just press straight up in a vertical path. The reason I like the axle bar for pressing is because more the bar sits in your hand. It just feels like a better shelf to press from. Even on bench, it just feels way more nice. So that's why I like the axle bar for pressing. Set number 3 down. I'm moving on to axle deadlift. Got 302 on the bar. I'm gonna try it out. Good old axle deadlift here. Ooh. That's where the grip gets you. You may have the hip drive and power to do it, but that grip, man, it'll slip from you fast. So I'm going to retry that again. All right. Second attempt here. See what we can do here. Dude, I'm cooked. I'm taking these 10s and 2s off. We're gonna make this. God, man, my math today. 10 on 10. We're gonna make this 277 and go for 1 or 2. Axle bar math is horrible because it's not 45. Does anyone else like need 5 minutes of rest in between their grip sets? Because when I do heavy stuff like this, it takes me at least 5 minutes to rest, even from 1 rep. If you've had that experience, let me know. If you have any tips and tricks, also let me know. I'm learning stuff too, so that's why we're all here. 277 going down, I think. That's better. I can hold this all day. You put on freaking 15 more pounds, it's over. Isn't that weird? Do my last rep here now. Probably gonna move on to low effort chin ups. Oh, they're doing yard work. Oh man. Anyway, one more rep here, one more rep and hold. I'm gonna do like 20 sets of 3 chin ups. I made a chin up and pull up video yesterday, so feel free to look at that if you so choose, if you want to. But thanks for following along. I got one more rep. Stay tuned. Oh, yeah. Thank you for viewing.